Hey guys, welcome back and Happy New Year. Happy 2023. I'm really excited about the coming year for the channel. I've got a lot of really cool projects planned and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Now I wanted to give you a quick update so you know what to expect for this coming year. Standard that I've set for myself in the past was to do one video per week, and I've been able to keep up with that for the most part, but it's been a little crazy trying to post one video each week. I don't do YouTube full time. I'm a full-time graphic designer and I do YouTube on the side. So that means my evenings are normally filled with projects and video editing as well as the weekends. And that's a lot to try to get done is one video per week. So I want to try to focus more on the quality over quantity and take as long as it needs to get a good quality video out, the best that I can do, and share that with you guys then. So I'm planning on hoping to do once every other week. If that works, I'll keep up with it. And I want to try to see how that goes. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. But I have another idea that I want to try maybe this year is viewer submitted videos. I'd love to see what you guys are working on. If there's a project that you guys are really proud of and you want to share with other people, you think others could benefit and be inspired by the work you've done, I'd love to share that on my channel. You could just set up your phone, record the process of you making it. I would love to edit that and post it on my channel and give you the credit. I think this could also be really great for smaller channels that are starting out and would love to get some exposure and have people see their videos and drive traffic back to their channel. So let me know if that's you. If you're interested, I'd love to get that started this year. If there's no interest, no problem. I'll just plan on maybe bringing that up later when the channel's gotten a little bit bigger. So that's another idea that I think would be really cool to help you guys give back as well. That's the reason why I started the channel, was to inspire others and teach them how to do things themselves and show them how fun it is. If that's you would like to contribute to that, just let me know. I'd love to get started on that. So that just about finishes up this quick update. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I really look forward to sharing some more great videos with you guys. So stay tuned for those. Thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one.